You can easily do an entire photo shoot or even start your YouTube channel with one of these light kits, which costs as much as a single light did when I was first getting started. One of the most important accessories that you need for filming videos is good lighting to avoid weird shadows and help set the vibe and mood of the video. While natural lighting is optimal, it's not always available. That's why it's best to have a lighting kit on hand. And generally speaking, you want a big light because the bigger the light source, the softer the shadows, or the better the video quality in general. Until recently, video lights have been bulky and pretty expensive, but Lume Cube recently released 2 wireless portable light kits that have been a game changer for me when it comes to filming videos and taking photos. First is the Studio Light Kit, and second is the Ring Light Pro. Both of these kits are pretty affordable at $350 and $260 respectively, and they fit inside of nearly identical carrying cases. They also both include remote controls and proper high-quality metal lighting stands, which is crazy. Usually lighting kits don't come with any light stands, or they send you these really cheap flimsy ones that you never end up using. You can use these 2 light kits individually or together if you want a 3-point light system, and they work really well for both photos and videos. So in this video, I'll tell you more about them. By the way, Lume Cube sent me both of these lights to test out, but they did not pay me to say anything, and they did not review this video before publishing. Besides their accessories, both light kits are pretty different based on the type of lights that they are. Light panels give you a slightly different lighting effect than a ring light does. But before I talk about their differences, let's talk about what they have in common. They're based on the same type of lighting technology that features inward-facing LED lights with built-in diffusion, allowing for a powerful but soft light with even coverage. Both lights have LCD panels on the back to monitor settings and battery life. And there are only 2 settings to play with: brightness and color temperature. They're bicolor lights, not RGB lights. So not ideal if you want colored lights unless you want to DIY your own color gels, which is totally possible if you want to go that route. They also have a CRI rating of 95+, meaning that they make your subjects appear natural and vibrant. And they have built-in rechargeable batteries and chargers. When plugged into a power outlet, they can last indefinitely. And when fully charged, the light panels can last about 80 minutes, and the ring light lasts about 70 minutes, both at full brightness. I've used each light for about 30 minutes at a time, and didn't experience any flickering, overheating, or any noise. Now, like I mentioned before, both kits come with light stands for each light. So there's 2 in the light panel kit. And this is a real highlight for me because the light stands are so lightweight but still made out of metal, and they actually get pretty high at a maximum of 70 inches. They each come with remote controls as well for controlling the lights from a distance. So those are the common features, but now let's talk about how they're different, starting with the ring light. Now, ring lights are most popular for shooting portraits, macro, and beauty shots. You might see a lot of beauty or cosmetic vloggers using them. It's ideal to have a camera placed inside of the ring light, so there's a 1/4-20 mount for attaching a camera. The kit also comes with a phone clamp, so it's a great key light for anyone wanting to shoot with a smartphone. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you might know that this channel actually started with me shooting with a smartphone. So I'm a big proponent of shooting smartphone photos and videos. And the best way to level up your phone content is to use an external light like a ring light or these light panels. Now let's move on to the Studio Light Kit. This includes 2 bicolor dimmable light panels with optional diffusers and barn doors for softening and controlling the light. Now, one thing to note is that you can't add your own softboxes to these lights, which might be a deal breaker for some of you who want to use your own softboxes. But I personally am fine with just having the barn doors and that diffuser. That does a lot for me. Now, light panels are really great for acting as a key light, or using the 2 together to provide balanced illumination of a subject. These are lights that I use a lot for shooting restaurant photos on site, and also for shooting talking head videos. My channel actually started with 2 key lights, kind of like these light panels, so these are a real game changer for me in terms of being able to replace those original video lights that I once used. You can actually use these studio lights in conjunction with the ring light in case you're working on a big set and you want to light not only your subject, but also your background. So that's a quick introduction to these Lume Cube lights. They're quite the departure from the original tough waterproof light cubes that Lume Cube originally made. And still does make, by the way. But I love that they're branching out into making lights geared toward professionals and semi-professionals. You can easily do an entire photo shoot or even start your YouTube channel with one of these light kits. which costs as much as a single light did when I was first getting started. But I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Let me know what you think about these lights, but more importantly, I want to know what kind of light are you using to film your videos? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, when in doubt, just shoot it.